Welcome, and thank you for your interest in our Credit Repair Affiliate Program. In this short video, I will provide a general overview over our company, Credit Booster, discuss exactly what credit repair is, and the federal and state legal process we follow as a credit repair and restoration company. From there, I will discuss the affiliate referral program, jump into the software and demonstrate the affiliate portal where you will have complete online access to your referral clients, as well as keep track of their progress from start to finish and track all pending and paid commissions. So, without further ado, let's begin. Credit Booster is a fully licensed, bonded, and insured credit repair and restoration company that helps our clients restore, rebuild, and raise their credit scores. Our number one priority to our customers is to help them get their financial life back. And we do this through constant education on the process of raising their credit scores, rebuilding credit, debt settlement when needed, and dealing with debt collectors. We believe that constant education is the key to restoring and maintaining good credit. So, what exactly is credit repair and restoration? A credit repair company such as Credit Booster is an organization that can help your clients understand and repair their credit by analyzing their credit report and disputing inaccuracies with credit bureaus and creditors. Credit repair companies have the extensive experience and knowledge to tackle credit issues that could be very difficult to resolve on your client's own. This expertise makes the credit repair process easier for your customers. Companies know what to look for. They understand the process needed to fix inaccuracies and are informed on what clients are legally entitled to request from both credit bureaus and creditors. Now, credit repair companies are different from credit counseling agencies. Credit counseling organizations are usually nonprofit. They advise about debt and finance management and even maybe help you get a copy of the credit report and a few other services depending on that organization. How we process new clients here at Credit Booster? Well, the first step is once your client signs up, they'll be required to sign up for credit monitoring through Smart Credit. From there, what we do is we do a deep credit analysis of the client's credit report, spotting all inaccurate information. We go line by line. We then look at the various factors that is pulling their credit score down and provide them with actionable steps to get their score back up. We develop this plan of attack that'll move into step 2. So second, we load all of the inaccurate, misleading, and unverifiable information into our software system and begin challenging questionable information with the credit bureaus, creditors, and collectors. And once the dispute letters are ready, we send them out to all the furnishers and wait 30 to 40 days for the updates. And during this time, your customer can track their credit repair progress using our online client portals. Step 3. Once the updated credit reports come back and is updated on the credit monitoring system from the furnitures, we analyze line by line the updates for any changes to the inaccurate, misleading, and unverifiable information. If there are changes, we update your customer's file and then move on to the next inaccurate, misleading, and unverifiable item. If the item comes back verified with no change, we follow up with the credit bureaus or the furnisher to try to get a resolution on why the inaccurate information is still on the credit report. We have various systems to go about this. We focus on fixing your customer's credit from start to finish. So step 4, while restoring your customer's credit, they will be educated, constantly educated on a weekly basis on all aspects of raising their credit scores, debt settlement, and rebuilding their credit. Constant education will be presented to your customer in the form of emails, text messages, ebooks, and voice recordings, video and voice broadcasts. So as of today, if you sign up to be a free affiliate referral, you can stop turning down bad credit clients. One of the reasons why companies and agencies are choosing to work with us is not how quickly we work, but how we take care of their clients through the whole process and get them moving forward so you guys can close the deal. Our aim as a full-service credit repair and restoration company is to see your clients achieve their dream of owning a house, starting a business, financing a car, financing one project or the other. And by doing so, you could sign up for our free affiliate referral program and get paid for every client you refer. Now, credit repair referral affiliates, they can be banks and credit unions, loan officers, insurance agents, furniture and cellular stores, solar dealers, tax preparers, even influencers, real estate agents, auto dealerships, power sports dealerships, dentist office, bankruptcy and divorce lawyers, mortgage brokers, CPAs, financial planners, independent sales reps, and even entrepreneurs. So the field is open on who can be a credit repair referral affiliate. Now, from here's a couple of screenshots I'm going to show you regarding the affiliate portal, and then I'm going to actually jump into the affiliate portal and provide you with a demonstration over the software in the portal. So, to get into your affiliate portal, you will come to our website, creditboosta.com, and up here to the top right, you'll click on the affiliate login tab, and it'll bring you into the affiliate portal. You'll enter your username and password. You have the option to select Remember Me instead of typing it in every time you come to the portal. And once you do that, select Login. So when you log into the affiliate portal, you'll see the affiliate portal dashboard. From this screen right here, you'll be able to input and send each new referral over. And on the bottom here is our company information: phone number, website, physical address, email notification, in order to get in contact with us. So when you enter into the screen, enter your username and password, you'll be able to submit all referrals online, unlimited referrals. Now, under the referrals tab, or if I click the referrals tab, this is where all the referrals that you submitted will be populated. So you'll see the referral name, the referral email address, the phone number, when it was created on, the status of this referral. This particular one is active. The commission for this referral, the start date, and the end date. So if I click on the name of the referral, it'll get me into the client portal. As I enter the client's file or into the client portal, the first thing you'll see as an affiliate is the dashboard of the referral client. The dashboard will have all three credit bureaus from Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. It'll have the initial credit score, current credit score, and any improvement to that score. Underneath of each of the credit bureaus, you'll see in dispute, repaired, deleted, total remaining. And underneath that, you'll have creditor, total in dispute, collector, total in dispute, and then you'll have a summary of the total in dispute, total repaired, total deleted, total negative items. On the bottom, you have the option to uploading your picture, your company name, your information, your address, phone number, and email address. So every time your referral client logs in, they'll see who referred them over to you, which will be you. And right next to your information is our company information. So if if your client logs into their portal and needs to contact us, they'll have our email address, phone number. They can text, they can email, however they wish. Now, if I go to the Bureaus tab, you as an affiliate will be able to see what is currently being worked on with the three credit bureaus. We got Equifax, we got Experian, and we got TransUnion. Now, under Equifax, it'll have the furnisher's name, the account number, the account type, and the Equifax account. So, for example, furnisher, the first one is Wells Fargo, the associated account number, the account type is a charge-off, and it's in dispute status right now. So the Southern District, so the Southern District Court, let's say that's a bankruptcy. That has been repaired. Now we went and challenged Sally Mae. The associated account number, it was a foreclosure, and then that was deleted off the credit report. So all trackable information that we do from the first process all the way up until we dispute and send the letters out, what's been prepared, is fully trackable on your affiliate client dashboard, as you can see, through all credit bureaus. So we're in Experian, and then we move over to TransUnion. Okay, so underneath the bureaus, we have complete tracking based on credit bureaus, creditors, and collectors. So if I click under credit bureaus, for example, under the credit bureau column, you have Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. If you look under account titles, the first three are Wells Fargo with all the same account numbers. Now the reason for that is that three custom letters have went out to all three different credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. That's why you have three letters here. And it tells you right here under the send date when those letters were sent out. These three letters were sent out May 6, 2022. And this also tells you when those letters are due by. So your client will have a notification on their calendar that they should expect to receive something in the mail. If not, they need to let us know so we can prepare for the next round. And the client will be also to track the creditors and the collector's information as well. Now, if I go back to the referral section, where all my referrals populate here, underneath the referrals is messages. So when I get to messages, when I get here to the messages section, you can send or answer questions, back and forth with us, all through the message area. The next area is documents. You can upload any and all documents within this section. We will receive it. Here's some examples. You might, need to update credit reports, proof of residency, any other documents, proof of identification. You would enter all that. You would upload all those documents into here if you had to, under the affiliate portal. And then the last tab I want to show you is the commissions tab. So you'll have the referral client, when it was created, the status, the start date, the amount of the commission, and the payment, which this one is pending. And up here, you can see all the pending commissions and all the paid commissions. So other than that, that is a brief overview over our credit repair affiliate program, the credit repair process, and what we can offer you if you sign up to be an affiliate today. We encourage you to act now, join today. It's free, no obligation whatsoever, and start referring your clients, getting them approved, closing more deals, and start earning some commissions on typical clients that you have usually been sending away, or if you're someone that just wants to earn some extra referral money. To get in contact us, if you're in Houston, here's our physical address. Our phone number is toll-free 833-496-4400. Email, you can email info@creditboosta.com. Visit our website, www.creditbooster.com. And when you get to the website, if you click on the top navigation where it says affiliate program, you can fill out that form and we can begin the process of getting you signed up. Again, thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of your day.